Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about Olivia. So if you're interested in using an Olivia lotion, please stay tuned to find out more, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So Olivia is a very good cream that can be used for any skin type, either you're dark skin or you're fair in complexion, or it's your first time using a lightening product. You can use this Olivia if you use it well. The reason why I said that is for those that like mixing different products together. This Olivia contains vitamin C. It contains aloe vera. It also contains olive oil, which is good in moisturizing the skin. This Olivia body lotion can be mixed with the serums together to give you a very perfect complexion. And also, the serum can be used on its own, especially for where you have dark spots, not all over your body. Where you have dark spots, apply the serum, or if you have a dark knuckle, apply the syrup on top. It can help to clear dark knuckle and dark spots. And this Olivia can help minimize a stretch mark in your body. You know, aloe vera is very good in the body, so adding the serum and the body lotion together can really do an amazing job. The dark spot corrector is also amazing. You can use it on a particular area where you have a dark spot or you're having an issue in that area, but do not start applying it as a permanent face cream, the dark spot corrector. This Olivia also have a face cream on its own, but I won't recommend it for someone who have a sensitive skin towards aloe vera to be applying it directly on their face. It can give them rashes or cause them issues in their face. So if you want to use the Olivia, you can add anti-reaction if you are allergic to aloe vera or vitamin C. So if you are allergic to aloe vera or vitamin C, so you shouldn't apply it directly without anti reaction, so you will not end up breaking out. Okay, thank you, bye.